Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing a very simple recipe as always. Okay, very delicious, and this is cheese on toast with a twist. Okay, it's really lovely. You have to try this recipe. It's delicious. So what I have here, I have some cheddar cheese here, and I'm going to add some spices to it, and then we put that on our bread. So let's get started. Right, so what I have here, I have some red onions that I've cut. I have some coriander. That's coriander leaf that I've cut, the fresh coriander I've cut, and that is the coriander powder, and that is green chilies that I've cut them into small pieces. Okay, so I'm going to add all of these to the cheese. Just mix it. It's a very simple recipe. So guys, I have these slices of sourdough bread here. Okay, I'm going to put that under the grill, but before I do that, I want to butter it slightly. Okay, just lightly butter it. Just both ways. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put this under the grill. It's already preheated to 180 degrees. So I'll put that under the grill for some few minutes, and then I'll take it out and put my cheese mixture on it. So guys, this is our toast. It's nice and crispy. Okay, so I'm going to put my cheese on it, and then put it back onto the grill. Right guys, so this is our cheese on toast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that into the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes for it to melt nicely. Okay, and then we can enjoy it. So guys, this is our cheese on toast with a twist. It smells absolutely delicious. I can't tell you enough. It smells so good. It's delicious. You can smell the coriander, the chili, and the onions. Oh my goodness, you have to try this recipe. It's delicious and it's very crispy, as you can see here. Okay, it tastes absolutely yummy. So guys, if you like this recipe, as you can see, it's absolutely delicious. Do give me a thumbs up, okay, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.